Simple chicken chops, very easy to make and delicious to taste. It's yummy and the recipe is there for y'all. So to make the mince, you have to go to the link below, in the description link below, and you will get the recipe for the mince, the filling for these chops. They are lovely, they're tasty, they're yummy. Everybody can enjoy them, from the youngest to the oldest. So please go ahead and watch the recipe. Hello everyone. Today I'm coming out with something different and something nice where everyone enjoys, from the old till the little babies, and it's a favorite of everybody also. So I'm going to do chops, that is chicken mince chops. So I have already done this preparation, so it's on my link in my description link below. So you can go look at it and how I have prepared it, and then you can keep it prepared and then begin with doing the chops. With this you can do chops, you can do cutlets, you can do fillings for your capsicum, you can do a lot of stuff. You can also put it in the food and give it to the children. They will also love to have it with the rice. So this mince is a very unique preparation from me, and I guarantee you will love it. So I'm going to begin. This is how the mince look. I will be putting in like about half a tablespoon in every potato chop, and I'll get it prepared. I took about 4 medium-sized potatoes. I already boiled them on the cooker. I took about 4 to 5 whistles because I want them soft, because I need to smash them. And this is my smasher. I'll be adding a little salt to smash them, and then I will be keeping it aside and then forming the cups to fill in the mince and fry them. For this I've taken 1 egg to dip them once I form them into cups and balls, and then I will be putting it into the batter, that is the rava, that is the semolina, and then I will be frying them. So here we go. I have begun smashing them. It should be very fine and creamy. The potatoes are well smashed, and now I will be making the chops, that is the potato chicken chops. I'm going to add in a little oil on my hands, and I'm going to take a little bit of the potato, and we'll start forming the cups. I'm adding in the mince. And I'll be closing the top of the chop. In this way I will be doing all my chops, and then I will be frying them. So this is my first thing that I'm going to do for all this. I have formed the chops, and now I will be getting them ready for frying. Now I've already taken the egg, I've mixed it with a fork, and this is my semolina, and these are the chops which are already ready. I'm going to dip them into the egg and then put them into the semolina. Keep them ready. I'll do the next one also in the same way. I've kept the pan on the stove, and I've added about 4 tablespoons of oil, and it's hot, and now I'm going to fry the chops. So I'll keep them, it's actually on a high flame. Now I will reduce the flame and let it fry for some time, and I'll turn it to the other side. I turned them on the other side, and I kept them on low flame, so allowing them to cook for another 2 minutes. I've taken them off the pan, and they're looking really awesome. They're so yummalicious, they're so delicious, and you can enjoy them with some sauce and as a snack. So I'm going to do the second lot now. I kept the pan ready, it's getting heated, and then I will be doing the next. At the beginning you got to be a little delicate with them because they can break. So that is the reason you should go slow and turn them the other side, and once you turn them the other side, then they get better, and then you can fry them as and how you want. The potato chops are ready, and now you can have them with some tomato sauce, and maybe have it like a snack, or you can have it with your wine or beers. So you can have a good time with them. They're really yummy and tasty and delicious. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do try them at home and enjoy them with your family and with your loved ones. So thank you for watching, and bon appetit. They look so delicious. You can have it with your sauce, and they're yummy. Thank you for watching.